I want to see whether the final drive will come out without taking the shafts out. Try and undo that. From here I can get my hand in. It's just the teeth, both ends. This is the issue up here. Hello and welcome back to a brand new video in a new year with a new car and new problems. So, never stripped a gearbox down before. This is the F17 gearbox from the Vauxhall. This one is out of the Vectra 1.8 petrol. So already I've established on a previous episode that the problem is in the spider gears in the final drive, in the differential. So today I want to get the final drive out. I want to see whether the final drive will come out without taking the shafts out. But I'm still going to get the shafts out anyway because I just want to inspect all the bearings, the gears, make sure everything's okay. But we're definitely going to have to replace the spider gears inside that differential or swap out the whole differential. Right, so whether this is right or wrong, I'm going to attempt to remove the differential first. So I've gone ahead and made a couple of little marks here. So we've got some marks there that I've made to line up. I'm going to remove this, take this little plate out. There is a special tool that will clamp in here to remove this. Try and undo that. And hopefully that diff will just come out on its own. So hopefully this camera's going to pick it up. But you can see the teeth on these spider gears are completely, well, completely eaten away. Nothing on them at all. Looking at these bearings, they actually don't look too bad. Both ends, the bearings look good. The actual race itself as well. So the bearings do look really good. The cogs on these ones, the teeth on these two ends that connect through to the drive shaft, they actually look really good. It's just the teeth, both ends. And that pinion, you can hear this, listen. Yeah, so I've got the two circlips to take out either side, and then we can take all of this out. I'm not sure how hard these bolts are to get out. They're going to be a pain to get out if I can't hold this anyway. Looks like it could be fun. Right, let's get them out. From here I can get my hand in and I can grab hold of the pinion shaft and give it a bit of a wiggle, and this should be absolutely solid. There should be no play in that. So we know the bearing is knackered on this, but it's so bad in fact I think maybe the pinion shaft has worn away. So the gears are out of the case. Now before I even think about cleaning any of this up, just want to inspect everything. So I've gone through and checked first, second, third, fourth gear and fifth gear, and they all seem fine. And I was like, yeah, happy days. This is the issue up here. And that is not what I wanted to see. So a bit of a dilemma. I don't know how much a new shaft is, and if I do get a new shaft, then I'm going to have to take all the gears apart to replace that shaft. And I expect it's more, well, I don't know, that's probably quite a lot of money just for that shaft. I might just look and see if I can get a second-hand box, a decent second-hand box. It would have been cheaper if it was just a diff to do, but with that like that, I don't think there's any saving that at all. No saving. It's a little bit upsetting, isn't it? Oh well. Not sure what I'm going to do now. I guess the Vectra will get parked up for a little while. Well, I say parked up, it's already stripped down and on the drive. I expect it will get left there for a little while now. This will now become a background project, I guess, because I do have some other jobs to go get on with. I've got to help Matt out with his T5. He's got some suspension mounts, engine mounts. What else was it? The air conditioning pulley. So we've got some jobs on that. I think there's some cam belt and water pump on another T4 2.5. His daughter's one that she's getting, Jenny Wren. So got to do some work on that. Plenty of work coming up. But I think for now I'm just going to wrap this up and leave it here for now. And I will update you on the Vectra as soon as I know what I'm doing with it. But for now, I don't think I'm going to rush now. I wanted to get it all sorted and hoping it was going to be a quick, easy fix. But we'll see. Right. So thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Clean all this up.